Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change your Mercedes CLA key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2025 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the key fob components are small. Double-check that you have the correct battery type, usually a CR 2025, to ensure a successful replacement. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side of your Mercedes key. Press this button and carefully pull out the physical emergency key blade. With the blade removed, you'll see a small slot. Gently insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and carefully pry the two halves of the key fob casing apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it from its compartment. Pay attention to how the old battery was oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your new CR 2025 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. This ensures proper function. To reassemble, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Then, slide the physical emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.